Alright, so as promised, for all the boys and girls on the Ford Tremor forum, asking about the truck and, you know, what kind of exhaust work you have done, seeing is believing, yada yada yada. So here's a 22 Tremor, do a little remote start, and you guys check it out. Here we go. So one of the questions that I had asked, would the resonator make it a little bit louder? Let's see if I can go in the back here. So the resonator is gone. Welded up a little short pipe, straight pipe, what have you. Sounds pretty good. Definitely a lot louder. And yeah, runs good, sounds good. That's it.